Roof down, jazz on the stereo, sunshine, hat on. Doesn't get any better than this, does it? It proper doesn't. I'm just on my way to, well, I'm going to go through Knaresborough. I might stop there and have a look around. But, yeah, I'm just driving. I don't know where I'm going, what I'm doing. I am literally just driving. And I'm enjoying the sunshine. It's just awesome. Cars that used to be common back in my day, obviously they're quite rare now, aren't they? You don't see them very much. And I've just seen several rare cars just driving around. Oh, there's one coming now. You better see it. There's here, Triumph Stag, convertible Triumph Stag. Fantastic. I love those Stags. They're so nice. They're getting quite rare as well, aren't they, at this moment in time? But earlier on, I saw something I haven't even seen at the NEC when I go to the Classic, which was a Hillman Hunter estate. Old bloke driving it just through where I live. Absolutely awesome. Great to see. There's a nice little church here on the right hand side. Like I said in previous videos, I really like architecture. I've always been into architecture. I love architecture. I love how people design things without computers and just went, right, we'll do that. And I like the shapes they came up with and the stuff that they've invented and such. Aliens have landed. I'm telling you, the aliens have landed. Now you might be able to see them. Probably not. See those because they're quite far away, but tons of these golf balls everywhere. That's amazing, isn't it? You see them? They're huge when you get up close as well. It appears I found Bolton Abbey. Get down there, quick girl. Yeah, I was thinking of coming here, but it turns out that I've actually found it by accident. Oh, I'll just turn the music down. It turns out that I found it by accident. I didn't mean to be here. I just ended up being here at Bolton Abbey. Everywhere you go now, everybody's got cameras on the cars or the bikes. I don't know if it's for protection or if it's just so they can record the videos, but it's right in front of us now actually, Bolton Abbey. There's part of it. Oh yeah, very nice. It just looks like the other abbeys though that I've been to, unfortunately. But that doesn't matter because travelling to these places, I'm going to do a proper travel video over to here actually in the summer. I think I'll come in this car and we'll do a video on it. But today is just about driving. So we've done quite a lot of places today and not actually been anywhere. Ooh, through here. There we go. Oh, drink. Always quite bumpy in this car. Yeah, we'll stop at the tea room and have a coffee and a scone for a bit of a rest. She was taking a photo quite low. Seems to know what she was doing. Because I could do with the toilet as well, to be quite honest with you. I haven't passed it yet, have I? Don't matter if I have, I'll just turn around and come back. No, I've not passed it yet. It's out the other side. It's nearly the end of this road, so that's where we are going. Sorry about the camera. It's a bumpy car and the mount's not particularly the best in the world. I could do with a better one if I'm quite honest with you, but needs must. Awesome, innit? tea room is just up here on the right hand side. There it is, I can see it right in front of us. Where that red car is on the right now. We nearly went past it then. So we're parking here and we'll have a nice cup of coffee and a scone. Look at that. Fantastic. Right. So there you have it. I didn't know where I was driving to. It's just normal for me. I set off and I just see where we end up. And I've ended up at Bolton Abbey, as you've just seen, and Abbey Tea Rooms, which is a long way to go for a cup of coffee and a scone, isn't it? But at the end of the day, I absolutely love it. It's fantastic. Oh, it's so nice over there. That's where Bolton Abbey is, just down there. The sun's setting. I was going to carry on going further west, but the sun, it's now 25 past 3. And the coast is another hour and 20 minutes away. So consequently, you know, that would mean sort of 4:45-ish. That means the sun is going to be going down at 4:45. It will start going down at 4:45. So I've decided to now head towards home rather than continue onwards. Another day that I'll go down there. I've got some holidays coming up soon anyway. So, and if we get more weather like this, then obviously I'm going to jump at the chance and obviously go and do some more trips across the country and such. I do enjoy these trips, I really do. Yorkshire pianos, interesting. I've seen some weird stuff today. I've never seen a piano shop and I've never seen a swimming pool shop, and I've seen both today. I enjoy going on these little adventures. I just literally point the car and see wherever it heads. And I just find like these roads that I really like driving on, and I find places that I've never been before, and I just enjoy it. I find a little cafe at the side of the road or a little tea room or something, and go for a cup of coffee, have a bit of a scone, whatever you want to call it. I'm sure somebody will correct me on that, and just drive, just enjoy the drive. And it's fun, and I get to see places that I've not seen before. Now, I've got some trips coming up soon. I've got one that's going down the coast of Wales, down the west coast, all the way to the west coast of Wales, starting at Llandudno and ended up at St David's. I've planned half of it so far. That's coming up in April. I've planned half of it so far. I've just got to book somewhere down in St David's, and then I'll be coming back through the hills and back towards Aberystwyth. And I might be staying at Aberystwyth for the night, on the third night, and then heading back home. I don't know yet, I haven't decided, but we'll have to wait and see.